future's now, old man.
100% lab-grown babies in 5 years. Japanese researchers are on the cusp of creating human eggs and sperm that can be grown in a fake womb. Welcome to The Real Report. Make sure and hit the like button, subscribe with the notification bell, and leave a comment down below if you are pro-cloning. A lot of interesting stuff going on. We're going to talk about, obviously, this subject, and also, is it ethical? And think about Dolly the sheep as we go through this, and how long ago that was, and the advancements that we've made, technologically speaking, over the past couple decades. Now, researchers in Japan are on the cusp of being able to create human eggs and sperm. A Japanese scientist at Kyushu University has already figured out the process in mice and believes he is just 5 years away from replicating the results in humans. Could that be dangerous? Is it the new army to fight the evil Russians? I don't know. Dr. Hayashi and his team recently created 7 mice with 2 male biological parents. Seems pretty fitting for today's social climate, huh? Now, using skin cells from a male mouse to form a viable egg and then fertilize it, the ability to produce custom-made human sperm and eggs in a lab is called vitrogametogenesis, IVG. Works by taking cells from a person's blood or skin and reprogramming them to become iPS cells. Of course, there's a lot of ethical, legal, and safety questions surrounding IVG, and it could allow people to steal the DNA of others using a strand of hair and make babies without their consent. There's an interesting thought, and he says within the next 10 years, surely it will be a thing. 100% sure of that. Topic of cloning is often debated and raises ethical, scientific, and societal questions. Whether cloning represents the future or not depends on various perspectives and considerations. From a scientific standpoint, cloning has been a subject of research and experimentation for many years. The development of cloning technologies, such as somatic cell nuclear transfer, has allowed for the creation of cloned animals in laboratories. Cloning, the potential applications in various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and conservation, are of course great. I'm really curious how long until we start cloning people and the ethical issues behind, let's say, organ harvesting and using your clone as an organ donor to prolong your own life. Now, it may offer opportunities for producing genetically identical organisms for research purposes, regenerative medicine, or preserving endangered species, so there are some interesting possibilities. Future of cloning is still uncertain and subject to ongoing scientific advancements and ethical considerations. There's still significant challenges and limiting associated with cloning, including low success rates, health issues in clone animals, and concerns about, well, genetic diversity, obviously. Go take a look at the royal families from hundreds of years ago. Furthermore, the ethical and moral implications of cloning are complex. Cloning raises questions about human dignity, individuality, potential for misuse or exploitation. Ethical discussions surrounding human cloning in particular have been highly controversial and often involve considerations of personal autonomy, human rights, and the sanctity of life. If you guys found anything in this video interesting, again, leave a like, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button.